Hey Chuck, I'm gonna just give you a little video of some of my comments on your MLA style for the Skunk review in this video. So a couple things to look at. First, you want to make sure you don't have an extra space between paragraphs of the same style. So you're going to end up getting rid of all of those little icky Microsoft Word spaces in between. I did it on this document, so you can see we don't have those anymore. That's why these are all here. One of the things that I want you to know with MLA style, oh, I made this parallel too. You can take it or leave it. One of the things with MLA style is when you're doing a dictionary definition, what you do is you refer to it like this. I made you a little supplemental page. And so you're going to put the word here in quotation marks, and then it'll be Merriam-Webster's dictionary, follow it up with the rest of the citation that you have. And then when you use it in the text, it's just going to be robot in quotation marks. So you don't have to put in all of that stuff at the end. It's just going to be robot anytime you use it. Now you've got over here, according to Merriam-Webster, a robot is. So in this case, this is just going to be robot. And any subsequent uses will just be robot there. All right, there are a couple other things that I made changes on. Most of this stuff looks fine. Where else did I make a note? I think this is the first time you refer to this acronym, and so what I would do is in the sentence I would say, as a matter of fact, according to the National Highway Transportation Safety Alliance, 18% of injury crashes, blah, 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 blah. Then you actually don't need this because you are referring to that citation in the text. So there's no need to include it both in the sentence and then also at the end. You just need it once per sentence. Now, in subsequent uses, you're going to want to say National Highway Transportation Safety Alliance. Also, in this case, we're going to do this, according to the So the first time that you refer to like an organization that has an acronym, just spell it out the first time, put the acronym in a parentheses, and then for subsequent uses, you can refer to it as the acronym. All right, is there anything else that I wanted to make a note of? The only other thing that I would tell you to do is I would dump this Microsoft Word reference tool. It is crap. It makes all sorts of mistakes. That students don't know, students don't know. So for one thing, your works cited should not be in a different font, format, size, or bold than the rest of your essay. It should look exactly the same. In fact, this whole page should have the exact same font as the rest of your essay. The other thing that it does is that it puts in that stupid Microsoft Word extra space. So I went through and just made the whole thing double spaced. Now, Microsoft or MLA has actually gotten rid of URLs. So you're only going to use URLs if your teacher asks you for it. So in general, you can just get rid of all those URLs that you have in your citation page. These can all be dumped. But you want to make sure that you've got all that material that you need. So make sure that you have, you say it's from the web, the date that it was published if it's possible, and then the date that you accessed it. And that will give your readers enough information probably to track it down. So if there's anything, I don't think there's anything else in here. Otherwise, looks pretty good. Yeah, you just want to I think everything else, I don't think you have anything here with a page number that needs to go into your text except for that first citation. So this essay looks pretty good. I hope that clears up some of your MLA questions. I know it can be kind of a bear because it's a lot to take in. So I will give you this video along with these notes, and hopefully that will help you get this polished up for the end. All right, good luck.